Open up your MCT. We're going to do a chapter review for Chapter 4 test. Find all the angles. So we're given a 124-degree angle, and we're also given a 90-degree angle. So the first thing that we can look at are corresponding angles. If this angle is 124, then this angle is going to be 124. It's to the right of the parallel line, and it is above the transversal. All right, if this is 124, then this is going to be 124 because of vertical lines. Now, this would also be, over here would also be 124, but part of that is already 90. So if I take 124 minus 90, I'm going to get 34. So that makes this small angle 34. Now, we're going to fill in the rest of the angles. We've got 124s. So if we take 180 and we go ahead and we minus it, and we minus 124 from 180, we're going to get 56. So this angle right here is going to be 56 because it's supplementary. It sits on the same line as 124. And this angle is going to be 56. And this angle is going to be 56. These are interior, alternate interior angles. And then this would be 56, and that would be vertical. All right, list 4 pairs of congruent angles and give the reasons. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 4 because they are vertical angles. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 5 because they are corresponding angles. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 8 because they are alternate exterior angles. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 6 because they are alternate interior angles. Angle 4 is congruent to angle 5, alternate interior angles. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 7, alternate exterior angles. Angle 2 is congruent to angle 6, corresponding angles. Angle 3 is congruent to angle 7, corresponding angles. Angle 4 is congruent to angle 8, corresponding angles. Now we need to find missing x and find the measure of the two angles. So angle 1 is 3x, angle 2 is x plus 10. If this angle is a right angle, then that means that these two angles combined are going to be a right angle. That means they are complementary. So 3x plus x plus 10 is going to equal 90. 3x plus 1x is 4x plus 10 is equal to 90. Is the variable on the left? It is. Is it by itself? It's not. So we're going to need to zero pair the 10. So 4x is equal to 80. Divide by 4, x is equal to 20. Now I'm going to use that and come over here and find out what 3x equals. So 3 times 20 is 60, which means this angle here, angle 1, the measure of angle 1 is equal to 60 degrees. X plus 10 is equal to the measure of 2, so we're going to do 20 plus 10 is equal to 30, so the measure of angle 2 is going to be 30 degrees. And of course, 30 plus 60 is 90. All right, let's do the next one. The measure of angle 1 is x. The measure of angle 2 is 2x plus 30. If this is a right angle, then this is also a right angle. So we're going to do x plus 2x plus 30 is equal to 90 degrees. Again, they are complementary angles. I have 1x and I have 2 x's, so altogether I have 3 x's plus 30 is equal to 90. I'm going to zero pair out the 30 to get the x on the left and by itself. 3x is equal to 60. Divide by 3, divide by 3. X is equal to 20. Now I'm going to go back and find out x is 20, so that means the measure of angle 1 is 20 degrees. 2x plus 30, so I'm going to do 2 times 20 plus 30. So 2 times 20 is 40, plus 30 is 70 degrees, which is going to be the measure of angle 2. Find the angles. So I have 80. Now I have parallel lines, so we're going to go with alternate exterior angles, which makes this one 80. These are supplementary, so that means this is 120. These angles are vertical, and if this is 60, this would have to be 60. These angles are vertical, so that's going to be 80. 120 and 120, those are corresponding. And then I have, these are going to be supplementary, so that's going to be 80, and these are going to be supplementary, so that's going to be 120. The wire at the top of a flagpole is 30 feet long, so we're going to go ahead and draw our flagpole. And the wire goes from the top to the ground, and it's 30 feet. It's 18 feet away from the base of the flagpole, and so we're going to try to figure out what B is. So we're going to do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared is 18 plus B squared is equal to 30 squared. 18 squared is 324 plus B squared is equal to 900. Is the variable on the left? It's not, so we're going to rewrite B squared plus 324 is equal to 900. We're going to zero pair out the 324. So we're going to have B squared is equal to 576. Take the square root, so B is going to equal 24 feet is the height of the pole. Find the angles. So we have 6A plus 3A plus 90, because it's our 90-degree angle, is going to equal 180. 9A, we combine the 6 and the 3, plus 90 is equal to 180. We're going to zero pair out the 90. So we have 9A is equal to 90. Divide by 9, divide by 9, A is equal to 10. So now we have to go find our two other angles. So 6A would be 6 times 10, which is 60. So this is going to be 60 degrees. And 3A would be 3 times 10, so that's going to be 30 degrees. We have 2A plus 90 is equal to 180. We have 2A and another A, so we're going to have 3A plus 90 is equal to 180. Subtract the 90. So 3A is equal to 90. Divide by 3, divide by 3, A is equal to 30. So now we're going to go back up here. A would be 30, so this is going to be 30 degrees. And 2A would be 2 times 30, so this is going to be 60 degrees. Triangle has the sides 11, 20, and 14. Is it a right triangle? A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 11 squared plus 14 squared is equal to 20 squared. 121 plus 196 is equal to 400. When I add 121 and 196, I get 317 is equal to 400. It's not equal to 400, so it's not a right triangle. And that's the end of part 1 of the review.